Hi guys, I come here to talk because I believe that whatever that I have gone through, so many people are facing today. And just like them, I didn't know how to get myself out of this. But the Word of God helped me. The Word of God helped me get out of um, certain things in my life. It's like when they say that you don't not be you cannot just be hearers of the word but be doers of the word. So the more you become a doer of the word helps you to get out of so many things that you struggle with. And so it's about worrying, stressing over so many things. When I go onto social media, I see the same comment people, same thing people talk about: stress everywhere. On social media, people talk about stress. People are dying out of stress. People are dying out of worrying. People are dying out of so many of, of problems that stress causes. And it is easy. It is easy to drop it. It is very easy to drop it. But for some reason we just love to stress. That's what people are showing today. They love to stress over things that is beyond their control, future events that is beyond their control, things that are yet to come. They stress already about it. How they have to meet this or how they have to meet that. Or in this world today, our families, our relationships, they demand so much from one person. But we carry so much. We one person. And nobody is gonna come and help you. I tried it. I tried going to help. I tried looking for help from people outside of me. I tried, but I still felt that feeling, and it was killing me from the inside, slowly. And I didn't know how to help myself. I turned back to the Word of God, and the Word of God helped me get out of it. And I made the decision to drop it. Whatever that was causing stress in my life, I made the decision to drop it. I made the decision. I made the bold decision to drop it because I saw that it was not doing me good. It was only bringing more distraction upon myself. We represent stress as a snake and joy as a bird or something. So they will put those animals there. The bird represents joy and the snake represents stress. Physically looking at those animals, you will definitely go for the bird, not the snake. Behind the scene, everybody is running for the snake. They know that the snake will bite them. They know that the snake is dangerous. They know that it's gonna coil around them. It's gonna squeeze them. And it's gonna squeeze the life out of them. But everyone is running for the snake, not for the bed. That's behind the scene. In real life, in reality, when you see those two animals, you're definitely gonna go for the bed. It's come to my attention that there'll be intent to drop one of your dairy trucks tomorrow. And so we can drop it. We can drop whatever that we are stressing about. We do what we can do. We do what we are capable of doing, and and be okay. If we cannot do more, that's okay. We are not forced to. But most of us, we try to fix things that are in the future, are yet to come. We try to fix it. And in this day, in this world today, our jobs demand. There's so many demand from one person, and we come to realize that the days are running so fast. We just do one little thing in the morning, and then we realize that it's already going to 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Like the days are just coming and going fast, and we are trying to catch up with that pace. And so that's causing a lot of add up to the things that we are supposed to do daily. And these things that we are supposed to do daily, we don't complete them, and then it adds on. And then we take on the stress. But we are human beings, we are not robots. That we will do something and complete it in that day. No, we are human beings, and we are supposed to go with our pace, not stressing ourselves out over so many things. When I understood that I can just drop the stress and be grateful for what I can do, and not, when I say this, I don't mean to say that I have everything all figured out for myself. No, I do. But I make that choice. I make that choice for what's best for me. I cannot worry about something that's in the future, or I cannot worry about something that I am not capable of doing. If I can do it, I do it. If I cannot, then I won't worry about it. I won't let it bother me. Like, for example, I had an argument with my husband. Not argument, sorry, disagreement with my husband. And I was so upset. So I chose to just go to bed without apologizing. I just decided to just go sleep and be angry with him. When I went in to sleep, it was like something was telling me, you cannot do this to us. You cannot go to bed without sorting this thing out with your husband, talking it over. You cannot do that to us because it's not good for us. You cannot go to bed with this, and most of us do that. I used to do it too, but then I realized that it will not do me good. I'm keeping something inside gonna eat me away inside. And if I don't sort it out now, then when will I do it? I need to sort it out to have my peace of mind. Whether I like it or I don't like it, whether my body feels like it or not, I must not listen to this body, because I know what's best for this body. And if I keep that anger on the inside of me, I know that it will eat away on the inside, slowly, slowly. So I have to sort it out there. So even though my body was reluctant, it didn't want it. Said it was like he was the one who did it first. He was the one who the um, caused us to get angry. I just have to pick my body up, not listen to the body. I pick my body up, go outside, sit down, apologize. be the bigger person, apologize. Even I know that I was not at fault. I apologize anyways because I know what's best for myself. I know I need that peace so I cannot go to sleep with anger inside of me. That's not good for my system. So after I apologized, I felt that peace. He apologized too, and I went to sleep. So like that's just an example of you can just drop things that don't benefit you at all. Nowadays, we need to look for things that benefit us, not things that eat away our joy or our peace. Because that's gonna save us. That's gonna add more days to us. Thank you for listening.